in governance. We are all aware that their roles were eroded by the advent of colonialism when the whites came and they rubbished our traditional institution. But at the same time, we are saying we should tread courteously while doing that. We have seen kings that are on the throne because of land seizure. In Ogun State, we call them Awonba Ajagungbale. So even if these rules are granted, our traditional rulers, we are saying they should stand in position of honor, in position of dignity, in position of respect. And on he for she, we stand by gender sensitivity. We are he for she houses of assembly. You can see that Ekiti has a female deputy speaker, Ogun State has a female deputy speaker, a female chief whip. We always give recognition and honor to all our female colleagues. Though we say there are no females in the House of Assembly, but we are tender towards them. Abi? So we stand on this. To this end, my leader, distinguished senators, these are our stand. But let this one resonate that we stand by you in all you do to make Southwest great and great again. My deputy speaker here will come up. I will present the position of the chairman of National Conference of Speakers and the position of Oyo State. They have a presentation.